To create associations for the purpose of memorization, we formulate lot of tricks to associate with images, with phonetics or with certain patterns. While doing this, we are essentially following a mnemonic system. Mnemonics are entities that help us make associations for the purpose of long-term memory retention. Examples are VIBGYOR for rainbow colors from violet to red is what we all remember in school days. It is a memory mnemonic. Remembering bat and ball for number 10 is a good association where bat takes place of 1 and ball takes place of 0. Many number mnemonics can be made. We will see such mnemonics in further sessions. Since character n contains 2 vertical strokes, we can establish number strokes with numbers. This way, m will definitely become number 3. This comes from the famous mnemonic major system that we'll learn fully in the coming sessions. One of the other popular mnemonic is, can I have a large container of coffee? For value of pi up to 7 places of decimal. This is based on relating numbers of characters in each word to representation of digits while writing the value of pi. Mnemonics can be of different types based on the memory connection technique they utilize. Broadly, we can say that the types are sensory mnemonics are those entities that utilize some of our senses like visual sense, sound sense, etc. Bat ball for 10 is a sensory mnemonic utilizing the visual sense. Sensory mnemonics act like a peg in the memory and your information is like a rope attached to that peg. In the logical pattern fitting kind of system, we do not just depend on visuals or other senses directly. We also try to connect some kind of logic with the sense. For example, the remembering of value of pi with the sentence, can I have a large container of coffee, is this kind of logic where number of characters are logically associated to the number. We can find different such patterns for remembering formulas, lists, equations, etc. in different subjects. While fitting the pattern logically, we often use grouping of numbers and patterns and then connect them to images, etc. This is called chunking. For example, if we want to remember a number 451932, I can make chunks of 2 numbers which are 45, 19 and 32 and then remember numbers with imagination pegs like connecting 45 to atom bomb year, 19 with last of the teens and 32 with number of teeth. Creative mnemonics are those where we apply our creative thinking skills like connecting information patterns to unusual sounds, music or song composition, connecting to a skit or some kind of dramatization. The ABCD poem we recite in our KG classes is one such example. You may see this example of creative mnemonics at the video link shown here. You will also find this video link in the attached resource file. Method of loci or journey mnemonics. In this method, we associate objects in a path to the items in a list we want to remember. Suppose we travel from our house to office every day and we pass through various pathways, turns, hoardings, buildings, etc. Each of these objects can act like a peg in remembering a list of items. We shall see a practical demonstration of this system in a further session. The mnemonic method can help you remember things like list of items. This is a powerful method to remember a list of items in the right sequence, and not only the sequence, but also you will be able to randomly able to tell that what is before and what is after what. Numbers can be easily remembered by many mnemonic systems. They are either related to visual images or to some logical patterns. This way, remembering phone numbers, credit card numbers, date of birth, etc. will become quite easy. Historical dates are sometimes quite confusing and get messed up in memory. Mnemonic systems can help connect events and dates together. Science and mathematics formulas are often a big challenge and may overload your brain. Mnemonic systems can come to rescue here also. Names and faces can also be remembered well with the help of specialized tricks that include mnemonic and other concepts of story building explained earlier to you. In a nutshell, any explicit information with some data-oriented content can be easily attended, associated, and then acquired by your memory with a better possibility of accurate retrieval. You can download the document referred to in this video using the link in the description. Alternatively, you can scan the QR code for direct download. Next, we shall learn about mnemonic major system for remembering numbers.